What's up, guys? And another morning in Bangkok. We are currently heading towards the sun, towards the city. While we head, we can see there's a lot of malls here. Like literally, these places are filled with shops, and which is in a good way. And this is Tuk. She's hungry. She's having a breakfast. She's trying to teach me Thai, but I kind of suck at Thai. I try.
สวัสดีครับ
Swatikap. So, in this busy city today, you're gonna see a stroll through the Bangkok city. This is like, what place is this actually? What's the name of the place?
อ่อนนุช
Onod. Onod, she says. Onod. Okay. Cool. And you can see. So everywhere we walk, we keep seeing Lord Ganesha statues here. Seems like a big religious belief, isn't it? Yeah. Are you? Do you believe Ganesha or do you believe Buddhist stuff? Which one do you believe? Okay. There you go. You know the answer. She's Buddhist.
ฮะ
I'm talking to the camera.
อ่า
Strongman chicken. I don't know. Like for me, the food thing, it looks very appetizing, very nice. But I do have a problem. So I have a very sensitive tummy. So I gotta be really careful what I eat, where I go, and then make sure I don't fall sick. Look at this. Look what are they saying. So it seems like, yeah, there is a lot of accident happens here, and they are warning. They are pre-warning. Lots of shops and lots of banks. When you come to Bangkok, don't worry about what do you call the transferring money, cash conversion, because I think in airports they always charge a lot. So make sure when you come outside of the airport, you will probably find a lot of ATMs that you could get a cheap transaction rate for. And yeah, I actually want to try one of those tuk-tuks. So yeah, one day, before I go. So yeah, I was telling about cash conversations, and yes, make sure to make your transactions outside of the airport. And for me, what worked is I have a Revolut account, so wherever I go, I can use that account, and pretty much you could probably convert inside your app itself, and then to withdraw it, you'll probably end up paying around like 200 baht, which is around like what, £4 or something, which is not bad to be honest. Like if you're gonna convert 10,000 baht and take out in once and keep it safe, rather than withdrawing every now and then. Hello. Swatikap too.
Yes. We going to do ID card and then we will go shopping mall and go to take a picture somewhere.
Apparently Tuk lost her card recently, so we need to get her card before she can travel anywhere outside of this city. She needs the card. So yes.
Okay.
Thai.
Do you know what's your favorite food?
Private food. Favorite? You mean the?
Like everyone knows.
Don't know. You tell me.
Takoyaki.
I don't think that is true because ever since I came here, she's trying to make me eat papaya salad, which I don't like papaya. And I told her multiple times, but she just insisting me to eat papaya salad. She's been cheeky. She's been very cheeky. Yes. Some hardworking people here.
Oh, sorry about that. Like me.
Yeah. And then yeah, I want to show you something, right? Look at this. It's 32 degrees outside, right? And I come from England and it's boiling and this woman wears a jacket and it's black. I don't understand.
You should understand now. My skin.
Doesn't make any sense. Well, if she's happy, she's happy. We can't do anything about it, do we?
Oh, I don't.
And then she says it's very hot. You know what I mean, right? You know what I mean.
I'm like me.
Oh, see? Ooh.
Ooh. Buy some
Like that. Yeah. So there are a lot of condos here. What were you gonna say, Tuk?
buy it for me.
Tuk wants to buy a condo here.
Yes, please.
She doesn't want me to leave, guys. She wants me to stay in Bangkok.
Yes. I like speaking.
She can speak good English. Innit? Innit? Oh, it's just a minibus. It doesn't look like mini anymore. It looks very big.
True.
Yeah.
Very big.
Yeah, it's not a minibus. It's his bus. Another thing about Bangkok is, I think there are good and bad things to Thailand, and people that don't tell about the pollution level is pretty high here.
You know we use dishwater to take a shower.
No, no,
Yes.
no one is gonna have a shower in that. No, no. Yeah, I was talking about the pollution level. The air pollution level is a little bit too high here, isn't it? You good?
Oh, this is so like
I took one to go in a motorbike ride, but I just want to walk a little bit. We'll take something once we are finishing our first thing to do, the ID card stuff, shall we? So we are going to take the motorbike ride today. It's going to be interesting. It's 20 baht a ride, it seems. And then you could just hop on the motorbike behind them and then go. This is their stand. You could see. All right. Yeah. Okay, let's do the motorbike ride. Woo! And yeah, it's crazy. Woo! Tuk is coming behind. Wow. Wind is so heavy. Oh my god.
Beautiful. Only two countries in the world. The main root of confusion in the first step about alphabet and vowel. Even among Thai people cannot understand. At first, I educate Thai people. Ah.
A few minutes later.
We are here to see a very special temple in Bangkok.
So we started to enter Wat Arun, and if you are a Thai national, you don't need a ticket. But if you are a foreign national, the ticket will be 100 baht. So I went and bought my ticket, and then we are allowed to go inside the temple and have a look around. But make sure if you are entering a temple's place in Thailand, you have to cover your arms and your legs and your shoulders if you are a woman, and if you are a man you need to wear long sleeve trousers. So make sure you follow the rules and adhere it, or else they won't let you in. Either you could actually, outside of the temple, you could find some shops. If you forget to wear such, you could actually go outside and buy some cover clothes and wear it inside. So yeah, there is always options. So this is the Wat Arun temple, and the quick facts about Wat Arun is that it was built during the Ayutthaya period, and the imposing Kama style prang, or which is the tower, is 104 meters tall and decorated with bits of porcelain that was used as ballots by boats coming from China. Very interesting. And then it was surrounded by 4 other smaller prangs, which is towers as well.
Woohoo! What's up, guys? We are on a tuk tuk.
So this boat tour actually costed us around like 3,000 baht, 4,500 baht per person, which is a bit outrageous amount thinking about the tour itself. They actually said we will be seeing really nice locations around this river, but in truth the boat didn't go through all these locations. Only like maybe 1 or 2 maximum we saw from very far away. Other than that, I would say it is sort of a scam, but oh well, we bought it already, and we didn't know until we finished the tour itself. So next time if you are going, there are actually government ridden boats. They are really big, and make sure to go and hop on one of those. They are cheap and they actually do go through the whole river, and you will save a lot money as well, because most of this boat tour we actually saw nothing but just slums around the river, which are like literally collapsing, and there is nothing much to see. So yeah, when you're getting onto tours, just make sure to find out before you actually get, because people will be like very pushy and persuade you to get you into the tour. So make sure to be careful. After the boat ride, me and Tuk went to have dinner in a nice cafe and we were very tired, so we headed back home. Thank you for watching the video, and if you liked our vlog style videos and if you like to know more about my travels, please tune into the channel and please do support us, and I will see you in another video. Bye!